Show us how you can swim without your swimmies. Look at you go!
Good job.
Oh, that's wonderful.
They're across the pool.
Very good.
Almost.
Yay!
Good job.
Very good. Bless you.
How many pictures that takes up when you're filming? Swim!
Show us how you can float. There you go. Look at you go.
Good job.
I'm like that little boy now.
You are. Show me how you can float. Very good. Yay.
I just did.
Good job.
Silly.
I did the water. I did the water out.
You blowing the water out your nose?
There you go.
Very good.
Hey.